Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to turn on notifications for mentions in bio from people you follow on Instagram using the latest PC app update. If you've been missing important mentions or just want to stay updated when someone includes you in their bio, this setting makes sure you never overlook it again. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control how your account behaves. Next, head into the Notifications section. This is where you manage all alerts and updates you receive from Instagram. Inside Notifications, click on Push Notifications. Here you'll find different categories for the types of notifications you can turn on or off. Scroll until you see the section labeled From Profiles I Follow. Under this section, locate mentions in bio. This is the exact setting you need. Now simply select your preferred option, whether you want to receive all notifications, only some, or turn them off completely. Choosing the right option here ensures you stay informed whenever someone you follow mentions you in their bio.